सब हो जाता है अभी कोई हाँ मस्ती मजाक में सब हो जाता है as long as the kids were having fun that's all that's important
बच्चों के साथ इतनी मस्ती करने के बाद आपको लगा नहीं कि बिटिया आराध्या भी यहाँ होती है लेकर आते हैं आप
हाँ जी
आराध्या होती है
उन्हें कभी और ले आएंगे अभी वो सो रही हैं उनका स्कूल का टाइम है दोपहर को सोती हैं छोटी बच्ची है लेकिन अभी बार जरूर ले आएंगे
Abhishek, is it tough to have a competition as gorgeous as Aishwarya because people were automatically going towards her team?
No, it's not tough at all to have that. I don't look upon it as competition, and the good thing is she can distract with her good looks, so that at that point we can work. And while her team is being distracted looking at her, we were trying to catch up. You should celebrate children every day. उन्हें रोज प्यार देना चाहिए, and that's what we like. हमारा जो तोहफा है आराध्या के लिए आज और फर्स्ट डे के लिए लॉट ऑफ लव
Aishwarya, एक साल हो गया है लाइफ की चेंज हो गई आपका मदरहुड एंड दूसरी चीज एक साल हो गया आराध्या को परसों का जन्मदिन है तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
I just like to take this opportunity to say yet again, straight to the heart, thank you on behalf of Aradhya's parents, as the two of us are, her grandparents on both sides, both our families. I just like to say thank you so much for all your love and blessings. ये एक साल
बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन किस तरह का होना
मैं पार्टिसिपेंट थी, जज नहीं।
आप लोगों ने गेम खेला कुछ चाइल्ड फ्रेंडली है बच्चों ने कभी सर गेम्स खेले हैं आप लोगों ने?
I think that the kind of personalities we are, the child in us is consistently existing.
जैसे कि आपने देखा हम आज भी खेल ही रहे हैं
And in that same mode, so it's not a question of कि तब कैसा था और अब कैसा है. It's actually to keep the child alive in you and just approach life that way and have fun every single day and enjoy the moment. I always say live in the moment and live it to the fullest. But the best thing about children is that they remind you of.
And y'all will now play background songs for us for this image. So we. Thank you so much for making me feel loved and missed. And God willing soon. God willing soon. But like I said, time flies for me. You guys are the ones who note every single day. So I guess when I'm there with the film ready, which will always take a lot of time, you guys will know. What you talking about?
Well, it's the first birthday is very special, but I think for a child at the age of 1, I don't think they're going to remember much. I think the first birthday is more special for the mother who's put in such hard work over the past 1 year to bring up our daughter. So I think a quiet day with the family, with the blessings of her elders, and that's the most important gift you can give a child. Like I just said,
precious time.
For any child, the best present is just give them attention and love. So for her first birthday, we just hope she gets time to spend with the family. That's it.
So that's what we're planning to do. To just have it intimate. Luckily, I think the way it's worked out, we have had a huge festive period, like just 2 days before her birthday. Diwali has been a huge celebration, and we got the opportunity to receive love and best wishes from all our loved ones. And we have all celebrated together. And now it's going to be intimate time on the 16th with Aradhya. Because that's what's important.
Yeah. We miss him dearly. Yash uncle was very special to both Aishwarya and I. Not only is he somebody who is so senior and respected in the film industry, मैं उन्हें बचपन से जानता हूँ. वो हमारे पड़ोसी थे और आदि और उदय हमारे बहुत ही खास दोस्त हैं. And we miss him dearly. We really missed him dearly on that.
Yeah, and Yashji is very, very special to me individually because he's one of the reasons that I am in the film industry. He is one of the main reasons because he's the one who kept talking to me for 2 years before I actually joined the industry to convince me. He always used to tease me and he used to say, architect bano, aake mere sets design karo aur phir tum camera ke samne aogi hi, I'll see to it. So it's just, he's such a special person even to me on a very, today of course I'm married to Abhishek and part of the family, so he used to keep saying, ab to tum bahu ban gayi hai, it's just a very, very personal relationship. but dating back to my beginning also, he has a very, very special place in my heart and in my life and my reason for being here in films. So love him and, miss him.